Yes, today is March 25, 7:42 p.m. and this is day 28, part 3 of our 10% compounding interest effect documentation, and we already made actually a simple or a little change since previous days. I just noticed may mga wins kasi pinanood ko yung mga videos ko ulit. Parang trace back. Ano bang tawag doon? Backtrack or whatever. Sayang na mga times na nanalo ka, tapos maganda yung market, and mag-stop ka na kasi nakuha mo na yung goal mo. Samantalang, on the other side, pag natalo ka, uh, at hindi maganda yung market, that's the perfect timing to stop. Pero, sayang lang. So ngayon, this is part 3 na. We'll try to win some. And ito yung ating, oh galing. Ito yung ating actual chart. Ang ating trading started $50 and this is day 28. So ang pinakamataas nating round na abot ay 116 at day 26. So ito yung mga wins and these are the losses. Kung makikita natin, ito halos sunod-sunod yung talo dito. Pero excluding this one kasi this is accident. And meron tayong 4 or 3 times na isinali sa ito 1, 2, 3, 4 na pala. Sinali sa tournament na hindi nagwagi. So for today, the market looks good, so we will try to win some dollars. Napakalayo. Kung day 28 ngayon, dapat kung nagagawa natin manalo ng 10% ng capital daily, which is actually not feasible For me kasi pang ilang gawa ko na to pang ilang try ko na ito. Hindi talaga kayang manalo ng 10% ng capital daily in 30 days straight. Straight wala kang talo. Kasi meron kang limit loss dun Kasi pag wala, ubos. Pati pang tubos niyan. Anyway, so here we are. Balik natin ito sa kabilang screen and there you go. We'll be using CAD. Ako sa mama. Let's try to look again for another. Euro USD 95. Ang bilis magbago ng trend. Kanina long trend pa yung ano ba yung napili ko. This technique is actually good or very good for long trend. Yung long trend ibig sabihin mahabang down or mahabang uptrend. This one actually is much better. Why? Kasi nag-reverse na siya. And why is that? Oh, Euro JPY. This is uptrend na. This is kaya pa to. So, ang i-apply natin dito is, if the market is good and you are still winning, continue trading. So, why? Only stop if the market is good and you are losing. Yes. Maganda yung market, tapos mali, natatalo ko. Baka may mali sa strategy mo. For me, all algorithm and indicators are working. You just have to practice it. In 2 minutes, yeah. It's pushing just now. It's pulling down. Looking at 2 minutes time frame. Siguro mga ilang practice ng araw, masasanay ako sa dual monitor. Kasi hindi pa sanay eh. Nagpa-practice nga ako, napapapindot ako doon sa, kasi tumatagos yung mouse eh. Napapapindot ako doon sa kabilang window. Naka-real account. Parehas. Dapat pala, ka-practice account lang yung isa. You can actually open 2 windows kahit 2 same account. Using app and web browser. Okay, ito pakita ko. Baka kita, ayan yung isa. 2 minutes na time frame, tapos naka-practice account lang. Hindi real account. Alright. Ito yung isang ano sa akin eh. Kapag humahalik sa yellow, yung red, marami-rami akong losses dito sa ganitong scenario. So, why not stop and don't trade? Unless until, ayan, I can see it here clearly na yung sa 2 minutes dire-diretso na siyang mag-up. So, I can actually place an order. But suddenly, candle becomes red. And there you go. Thank you for not trading. Tuloy tayo ng iba. Ay, pagkait. Euro AUD. This is so high na. Anytime it will go down. Pero I don't want to trade against the trend until meron siyang signal. So we'll see here in 2 minutes. Ayan, dire-diretsong pataas pa rin. It's going strong. Okay, that could be it. Dalawang red na siya in 2 minutes. That is confirmation. No way. Deep lang siya. Close fight. Uptrend still strong, but it's pulling down. Naglo pa rin. Will joining tournament. Meron pa lang salary na day ngayon. Ayun, 9 hours na lang siya. $4. Later. Kung muna tayo ng puhunan. Oh! Tumuodo pa eh. Laki na ng lamang, no? I got lower. Super wavy here. Oops. Stay there. Oh. Oh man, that hurts. We will be back. Down, down, down. Almost, but not quite. Let's change the Euro JPY going back. Okay, that will be all for this part 3, day 28. Thanking you. Sorry tayong tournament, one more.